Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon.
What's your name?
My name is Zakaria Mahmoud and you?
My name is Ibrahim Khalil.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm great. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also great. Jazakallah.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class 10 and you?
Wow, I also read in class 10.
Great. Can your best friend?
Absolutely, you can. I will be your best friend.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Have you performed Asr Salah?
Yes, I have performed Salah.
Very good. So what will you do right now?
Now I will go to the field to play football.
Do you play football every day?
Yes, I will play every day. Will you play with us?
Yes, I play. It's good for health.
Okay, let's go.
But we will finish our game before Maghrib Azan.
Okay, then we will perform Salah together. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.